Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you can imagine when you're servicing your car, you have your jack stands and your hydraulic jacks. And you know how long that takes to set it all up. All that work, painstaking hours and so. Well, there was something I decided I was going to look for something on my wish list, which is an hydraulic car lift. And I found one. Would you believe that? Through Walmart? Yeah. I mean, it was the cheapest price affordable that I found, and I just didn't believe it at first. It wasn't a name brand. The part number was like KFF car lift 5,000 pound. Yeah, it was weird. Well, anyway, pulling out the instruction manuals, it has all the visual features which you're seeing right now. So, yeah. Woo. As you can see here, uh, you can see the specs coming up here as I'm talking. It it was so funny. Didn't have no name brand. It wasn't. It didn't say anything of the brand, so I ordered it anyway because it was a good price, 999 plus tax. It came out to around 1141.21, tax included. Oh yeah. The delivery time would take about 3 to 5 working days. On its day of arrival, it came in a long coffin type box, partially wood pallet and cardboard. Very secured and very heavy. Luckily, there were two guys that were dropping it off, and they were able to simply roll it and drop it right in front of my garage doors. I was so surprised when I opened it up and I look on the side. It said they're Vevor. Labeled on the box, it said their item model number TL-5522 E5522. 5,000 pounds. Yes. It looked just like the Quick Jack 5000 TL, and this one was different compared to the Quick Jack. This had 3 stage lifts. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So right there you can see all the specialty accessories that came out. It comes with the standard truck adapters, and then you got your rubber blocks, and then you got these hangers that you could actually pull out the side of the racks to pull them outside and push them back in to line it up to your vehicle. And it has a safety lever built into the rack. It's pretty cool. So as you're looking through it just gives you all the schematics and the dimensions and the features. Has rollaway wheels at the end. It's pretty cool. But anyway, uh, right after this uh, viewing here, you'll see me do a test, a live test of my Vevor 5522E car lift, 5,000 pound 3 stage. Yeah. So just sit back and just check out the schematics and everything, and from there you'll see my live video. All right. Alright, here's my new Vevor car lift quick jack. Just got it 2 days ago. Put it together that following day when it arrived. And then the next following day I lubricated, put all the fluids in there, connection. And here's the first test. Okay, that's one lock position. That's for when you're just doing your tires. Okay, now we go to the second level. Prior to doing this, I did the basic test, qualifications, requirements, rebleeding it, and redoing the, rebleeding it 3 times. Take the air out. Okay, that's your second level. And then with the full level, which is 26 inches, this probably is what? 15 I think? 15, 16 inches. So we'll go to 25, 26 inches. Okay, so that's 26 inches. Now if you can see the metal blocks, there's some metal blocks here. Rubber blocks and a rubber block here. It comes with another extension. It brings the extended height to 29 inches, which is cool, which I haven't done yet, but I'll do that later. But as you can see, the Vevor quick jack is working properly. So I'm gonna lock it down, so I have to bring it down to lock it in place. Hear a click. Well, it'll stop, and that means it's locked in place. So that's 26 inches, and with the additional block, the second extension adapter, that will raise it up to 29. Yeah, pretty cool. This unit will work on compact cars, mid-sized cars, small light trucks, and small SUVs. Haven't tried my Camaro yet, but yeah. Right now this is one of my best friend's brother's car. So he's a test bed. Okay, now I'll show you how to bring it down. We have to bring it up a bit. And from there, I pull the lever, the safety latch lever. This is the safety latch lever, the safety lock bar. All I do is just lift it up, and that thing will pivot the other direction. I'll do the other side. All right. Now, when you release it, you don't want to lift it all the way up. Just only until you see the movement of the locking mechanism releasing itself. You don't want to go it all the way up. Okay, now it's just ready to release. Here we go. All the way down. And that's how the Vevor Quick Jack works. There you go. Thanks for watching. And what's up, Joe Loco? What do you think, man? All right. Guys, have a good day, and we'll see you then. Thank you.